Welcome back, guys. For today's video, we're going to be making some veggie spring rolls. Here's some of the ingredients that you'll need. You'll see me use some of these rice noodles. They come in different brands, but just some basic rice noodles, the thin ones. You will also need, you can either use some lettuce, which I'll probably use that as well, some butter lettuce, and some pea tendrils. I have here some cut up cabbage and some cut carrot. Also, you're going to need your spring roll wrappers. I have here this Blue Dragon spring roll wrappers. Got these at Walmart. You can get them at your local market. Stay tuned. Off your veggies. I'm rinsing off our butter lettuce here. Okay, so the first step, you guys, you're going to go ahead and add in some water for your noodles. Boil the noodles in. Guys, now for the rice noodles. We're going to go ahead and put these in. Just want to cook it. It takes about 8 minutes, you guys, and then we'll take it out and rinse it. Done. Now we're going to drain the noodles. Okay. I'm going to mix it with some cool water. Alright, you guys, so now for the next step, you want to add your spring roll wrappers. What we're going to do is take your spring roll wrappers and you're going to dip it in some warm water. You want to make sure that that water is pretty hot or at room temperature so that we can dip them in so they're nice and moist to do the wrapping. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, I have here our spring roll wrapper. I'm going to go ahead and dip this in the warm water. And you just want to soak it in. Don't do what I did, guys, it's rolling apart. Okay, so yeah, you just want to submerge it in that water so it can soak. Okay, so now that we've had it dipped in like this, it should be nice and flat. Completely covered in that water. Alright, you guys, and now we'll start adding in all the ingredients. You can start off with the noodles if you wish, and then we'll add in our veggies. guys, I'm going to add just a little bit of the butter lettuce to this because it'll give it a nice crunch effect. At the end, it's totally optional.